Hi everyone, I welcome you to Navirusithansworld, my channel. And today we are going here for a feast. I'll also tag the one friend who loves biryani more than anything. Well, for me it's my mom. And speaking of my mom, this entire feast is actually hers to eat. So I'm actually going to show you the step-by-step process of how I make this yummy and tendery chicken fry with mutton Hyderabadi biryani. So let's get into action and let's start. Everyone, as usual, we're in the kitchen and I would like to welcome you all to Navirusithansworld. So we're having all of these ingredients and you might be wondering what we're going to make, but before we do that, we're going to show you all of the ingredients. Here we have some Greek yogurt and then some 3 red onions, lemons, a garlic, 5 green chilies, ginger, eggshells, turmeric, clove, saffron, bay leaves, cardamom, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 1/2 tablespoon of cumins. 1 tablespoon of chili powder and a pinch of salt for taste. And then here we have some coriander and then mint. And then here we have some mutton or lamb. We have 1 kg mutton, and for the 1 kg we have all of this. So with all of this, I'm going to reveal the dish we're making. And the dish is Hyderabadi mutton biryani with chicken fry. I'm going to keep all of these for marination except for the spices because I'm going to dry them and then put it. And then for the onions, I'm going to turn them brown and caramelized. I'm going to heat the pan up, and then when it's heated, I'm going to add the pepper. It's now heated up. We're going to add all of these for the dry roast. Why I'm doing this dry roast is because it will give a nice aroma. What I'm going to add is the fennel seed and the cumins. When you hear the popping sounds, it's done dry roasting, and it's ready for grinding. I'm going to dry roast all the spices. And then I'm going to do this. Done. This is enough. Be asking why we're adding the leaves last. Well, it's because these will get roasted very quickly. Adding it last. Get into action. Grinding bit's done, and in the meantime, I'm going to roast my onions. The oil is ready. Time for the onions to go in. Now I'm going to mix. To keep on mixing until it turns brown. This amount of this brownish color is enough. Normally people deep fry it, but I just do shallow fry. And even if you do it either deep fry or shallow fry, the taste doesn't get compromised. And now let's turn off the stove for some time before we mix. Hey, why are you getting scared? Marination hasn't even been finished yet. What do you think this is? It hasn't even been marinated yet. It's actually the chicken pakora marination that I'm going to give my mom as a side. If you want a recipe on this, just comment below and I'll also make a video on how to make this. Here comes the real fun. I'm going to cook this mutton, and it's been sitting in water and it's been cleaned off now. Now we're going to put half of our roasted onions along with some oil into this because I want an enhanced flavor. I'll keep the other half for putting in the rice. And we're now going to add one of the halves. Now we're going to add the oily half. Let's just separate that for the rice. We're going to add this. Now I'm going to add this half. I'm going to preserve this half in a bowl. Put this later on the rice. So I'm going to add this grounded fennel, pepper and cumin. The spices goes in next. Time to add these. Ginger garlic paste and chili paste. I'm going to add half of chopped coriander and half of chopped mint. You should always leave half of both of them because on the top you're going to decorate them on the top. Now here goes the chili powder. And then just one tiny pinch of salt. Salt to taste. Also adding some yogurt. Time to add half cut lemon and squeeze. Do a marinade mix now. Let's just mix it with our hands. Always mixing with your hand is the best option because if you mix it with a stick, it's either uneven or something. And look at that smell. Divine. Actually, I'm a vegetarian, so I can't eat this. But this is for my mum with love. Now we're going to cover this and let us and put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours to marinate. This 2 hours means minimum 2 hours. Let all of these marinate for 2 hours, and then in the meantime, I'm going to do some gardening. Let it have a quick nap in the fridge for 2 hours.
A few moments later.
Preparation time. We're now going to half cook the rice. For it boils, I'm adding some spices to it. Now it gets the right flavor. Adding 2 tablespoons of ghee in order for it to have a good taste and for the rice not to stick next to the each other. And some salt go inside the rice. Let it cook and we'll wait for some time. You might be wondering, hey Navirusithan, why do you have this tray for? Well, what we're actually doing, what I thought of is, I'm going to put these rice in here, then do all the cooking in the oven. It is risky, but let's hope for the best. Rice needs to be rinsed and soaked for 20 minutes. Also, Mr. Penguin decided to pop up here. Yeah, and Mr. Penguin, don't you dare be insensible again. Okay, fine, I won't. So let's preheat the oven as per our plan. We need to set it to 180. Man, just set it to 200. I said shut up. You should just let me do whatever I want. You said you'll be sensible. It's strange. You might already know whose voice it is, Mr. Penguin's. Also, you need to put the meat at the bottom layer. So let's just tear open our meat. Now we're adding the meat because I finally opened it. And it should be evenly spread on. It's just kind of hard to take this thing. Well, we at least got a few. Spread it out. Well, evenly spread it out. But what else? And don't make sure to keep it well. It's evenly spread and covers the bottom layer. Yeah, fine. I'll give it to you for once. Okay, fine, good. To start it boiling, I need to add rice into it. I never use artificial colors or flavors in my cooking. So I'm adding this milk to actually enhance the taste along with the saffron. I'm going to add half saffron. Don't forget to boil it. Yeah, I won't. Okay, I think this is enough. Let me stir and put it in the microwave for boiling. My rice is half cooked. I'm taking the half right now. Now for the second layer, the rice. Now let's spread it out, just like we did to the mutton. Adding the onions we have reserved for now. The rice is 75% cooked. Now I'm going to take all the rice out and put it as another layer. Now we're adding the rice. This is 80% cooked rice. I'm adding some mint leaves on top. And then the rest of the onions. And then now we're going to add the saffron and make it look like plus sign. See how it goes. Just cover it up with kitchen foil. Sealed well, and it's time to put it in the oven. I'm putting this in the oven. Do its job for 2 hours. Let's see you in another 2 hours.
A few moments later.
Hopefully the chicken's now done. I mean the mutton Hyderabadi Biryani. So let's open to find out. And of course I can't do it, so I'm having help with an adult. Let me open it. I'm kind of hot. Yes, we wasted our rice here. Never mind, let's just see how it turned out. Oh, that went very well. That's very well. I guess it's done. Let's see you at the dining table. Mom, come on, join me and Mr. Penguin. He's also waiting for you. Just I have a surprise for you.
Coming. Wow.
Mr. Sandman.
Looks so delicious.
Okay, Sandman.
Thank you.
Just eat it.
Really?
I said eat it.
Wow.
Why are you going to Hyderabad when you are actually made it here?
Thank you, na.
But don't eat this one.
Wow. The curry is so tender. I don't know which one to eat now.
Just eat something.
Okay.
And also keep this also.
So yummy. So tasty. Look at the rice. Look at the rice. It's so fluffy and soft. The mutton. Wow. You really cooked very well. Day by day, you are really improving a lot. Thanks a lot. I'm so proud of you. Thanks for making this wonderful food for me.
Okay, just now enjoy it.
The chicken fry you made really so tempting. It really goes well with the food. Thank you. It's a wonderful biryani I ever had. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, do what Mr. Penguin said. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.